Want to know how I went from this to this? Keep watching. Welcome to Learn with Dars. I'm Dars, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a fake video background using Canva. If you'd love to learn this, let's get right into it. Now I'll be kicking off with this video. This is a freestyle video from the Canva video gallery. So this is the content the video will be using for the sake of this tutorial. And yeah, I would expand it to fill the screen. And next is to edit the video. Tap on the edit video button and tap on background remover to remove the background. Now we have the background removed. You can see nothing is behind. So next, what we'll be doing is get the image we'll be using for our background. And I already have that in the free stock image gallery. Photos, I'll tap on photos and here it is. So it's a blurry image of a pharmacy. Now I would enlarge this. It's enlarged. Now click on this position button here. Click on layers and tap on the image, the video that we removed the background. Take it up. So now it's on top of the blurry image that we'll be using as our background. Now I'll adjust the video ratio to sit right on the background. Here you just need to make sure you tidy things up, and that's what I'm doing. I don't want this to show, so I'll try to extend it so that it disappears while I'm still having a headspace, and so that the wig is not off and doesn't look cropped. Want to make this neat, and let's see. Yeah, so it looks good. I will play the video to see how it looks like, what it looks like. You can still see that we are having that little white effect coming, and we want to make this perfect. So I'll go back and just adjust it a bit down. Take it down a bit, the image a bit, the video. And let's try to test the video again and play. I think it's better. So yes, that's how to do that in a nutshell. Create a fake background for your video. Yes, it's neatly trimmed. You just want to adjust the space. Now I will not use an image that already has a blurry scene. I want to use an image that has a clear picture, that it's clear. So I'll be showing you how to do a perfect fake background using a clear picture. So let's do that as well. I'll delete this now, delete the video, delete the blurry background image, and let's go to photos, see all the recently used photos. I have some photos I used before now, so I want to use this one here. This like work area, a nice work area, and it's clear. You can see that it's not blurry. So I'll expand it to fit the screen. Yes, I think it looks perfect. Now I'll get the video that we want to use. This time around, we're going to be using another video. Let's use this lady here. Still a stock video. And just like we did for the last edit, we will edit this video and remove the background. Yes, perfect. We have the background out of the way. So now we'll increase the ratio and try to tidy this up to sit perfectly on the image. So that looks perfect. Let's play and see what it looks like. Yes, it looks good, but it's not giving perfect fake background because it's just more or less giving the vibe that, oh, this was just put on a fake image. So let's make this more perfect. So the image, I'll edit the photo. And scroll down to blur. For the whole image, we're going to blur, increase the intensity of the blur. Yes, I think this is nice. This is okay. So now let's see how that looks like. Let's play it now. Let's see. You see that it looks better. It's more believable than when the picture wasn't blurred. So that's how to make a picture blur, give the blur effect on the picture, especially when you want to use it as a fake background for your video. So that's about it. I'll just see how I prop ahead a bit because I want the screen to still show a bit. So I could just take her a bit here and go down. Yes, so let's play it. Yeah, so that's about it. How to create a fake video. So we could change the image and put something else behind. Let's just play around. Because she looks like she's in a cozy bedroom. So let's give her a more appropriate space. This is already a blurry image. I don't want to use a blurry image. Let's use this bedroom. So I just increase the ratio. Increase it. Yes. Take it. Then change the position. That's layers, take it down. Now the lady, I'm going to reduce the size of our image, and yeah, let's make this image blurry. Just give it the blur effect. Yep, that looks good. I think that looks good. That's perfect. Now let's play the video and see what it looks like. So you see, she looks more the video looks more appropriate as she's in a bedroom because she's wearing a sleeve, and get out was just like so obvious. So she looks like she's just doing a video, a sit down video in her bedroom, and it looks perfect. So there you have it. That's how to create a fake background. I needed to use show you different ways you can do this, and just make sure the scene, your background scene is appropriate to the purpose of the video so that it looks believable. Yes, that's a very good tip right there when creating fake background. So make sure to subscribe to this channel for more helpful and insightful tutorials, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Till next time, signing out here. Bye.